I'm gonna tell you guys what I do. I have this section called marks, and this for me is the reason why I don't use folders anymore. I use a playlist because I can organize a playlist with these little things. So I would put a set of maybe like 40 tracks, and I will create the picture of, okay, what's my set gonna sound like? And I prepare blocks and transitions, and I will be like, okay, this track fits nice with this other track. For instance, I can show you in Brazil. I have an intro that I prepare for Brazil, and then I know that I want to play this track second, third. So I create kind of like blocks, not the set. I create certain blocks, and I want to play new music in the beginning, this and that. But with this, it allows me to play in key and to have tracks that match the energy and stuff like this. This is the way I do it. Now, you see I have this finish tag. This means that this is my set, what I think are the main tracks in my set and the order that I more or less want to play. And then I start adding extra stuff. What if the set doesn't go as you wanted it to be, or you want it to play slower, or you need to play different stuff? Then you need extra records. So for instance, for Brazil, it was only an hour and a half. So I figured from here, these are options that I might play, what if, random tracks, and these are even more options.